Bake like a pro. Easy recipe for blueberry streusel coffee cake. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious blueberry streusel coffee cake. This coffee cake is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any time of the day. It's soft, moist, and bursting with fresh blueberries. And to top it all off, it's finished with a delicious streusel topping that will leave you wanting more. So, let's get started. To make the blueberry streusel coffee cake, we'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup whole milk, 2 cups fresh blueberries. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup light brown sugar, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and prepare a 9-inch, 23 centimeters, baking pan with butter or cooking spray. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture alternately with the milk, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Fold in the blueberries and pour the batter into the prepared pan. For the streusel topping, mix together the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon in a small bowl. Add the melted butter and mix until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle the streusel over the cake batter. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes before removing and transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious blueberry streusel coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious blueberry streusel coffee cake. If you tried this recipe, let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. See you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.